today we have a KICKER 3.5 speaker. A lot of guys were asking, hey Mike, can you review 3.5 speakers, because a lot of vehicles has a dash speakers, so you can replace it, right? I'm gonna play some music on this. We're gonna unbox it and play some music on this video clip. Then we're gonna compare with this Bose cheapest speaker I can find. But even this Bose speaker, it's plays a little bit better than your factory speakers, as I say on my previous videos, right? As you can see, stop KICKER tech support. They have a very good tech support. If your product defective or anything like that, you can just contact with them. As you can see, I just unboxed and show you the Skar audio little tiny speaker. This guy's advertising 120 watts peak power, but the KICKER advertising 80 watt peak power, and we're gonna see how this KICKER will play. The KICKER fit and finish, always they really decent, and you have every single KICKER speakers, you have some special coating right here, and it gives you a certain amount, you know, the sound, the refinement is not going to resonate a lot. So all the speakers is made like that. So as you can see, the magnet wise with the little Bose exactly the same. The basket, it's going to be the KICKER also, the quality wise a little bit better. And the terminals is the regular terminals, because you're going to just throw in your dash and it will be sitting there. Tweeters on the KICKERs is just a regular smaller tweeters. So let's play some music and we'll see how this guy is gonna sound. I'm gonna always show you your base factory speaker if you have it on your dash, and we're gonna go to the KICKER. Yeah. Destroyed it. Yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen when I compare Skar audio or Infinity Kappas, right? This is my way to go speakers system, like Infinity Kappa. I always like this, even the reference or Kappa series, or you know, the higher end series. But the KICKER, the brightness and details, it's top notch. As you can see, like this KICKER is destroying your factory speaker with the details and sound quality. Yeah, this is great. This is amazing little tiny tweeter, and the speaker itself. Yeah, sound quality is amazing, guys. If you're trying to purchase one of the 3.5 speakers, before I compare all these speakers together, yeah, definitely. I think if I need a 3.5 speakers, I'll go with this guy, because sensitivity, as you can see, it's outrun. For example, this guy is like a lot higher. And even you use your factory just to drop the replacement, you're gonna see huge sound difference. This guy plays a lot louder, it handles more power. That's why you need the more power for the Skar audio. Even the Skar audio is cheaper, and the factory speakers replacement, I believe that that KICKER is the way to go, right? Yeah. Let me play one more song and that's it. We're gonna call it a day. Watch in the life and speed so you can see all these three comparisons. These videos are gonna be under the product page, right? Let me get some juice to a KICKER. Oh my god, imagine you have that much power is coming out from the two speakers on your dash with the amplifier, right? I'm running is a tons of power for these guys. That's why it's like they're getting very loud. Imagine you have an amplifier set up with this, and it's gonna be total different sound output on your vehicle. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video. Definitely worth the money.